Okay, triangle ABC is similar to triangle RST, and we are going to find the value of the missing side, which is side length BC, and it's labeled with X. To do this, what I like to do is to make a table of the corresponding sides. I like to start with the small triangle and order the side lengths from least to greatest. This will help me make sure that I have the corresponding sides across from each other in the table. So the smallest side is RS, which is 5 units. The medium side is ST, which is 12 units. And the longest side, or the largest side, is RT, which is labeled with 13 units. Now what I'm going to do is list the large triangle over here, ABC, the side lengths from least to greatest. But I have an issue. One of them is missing. So how do I know which side length this is? Is it the small side, the medium side, or the large side? Well, let's look back at our letters up here. They're in order. ABC is similar to RST. So if I can see that BC, if I go back up here, BC relates to ST. They're in that order. So if I go to ST on this triangle here, it is the medium side. So X will be with our medium. Now that I have gotten my medium side, I can go ahead and order is 20 or 52 bigger. 52 is bigger, so it has to be the largest side. And 20 is the smallest side. Now that I have ordered them from least to greatest, I have shown corresponding sides are across from each other. Now I can decide if there is a whole number scale factor to get from one triangle to the next. And I can see that I can multiply 5 times 4 to make 20, and 13 times 4 makes 52. So to find X, I can take 12 and multiply it by 4. So 12 times 4 is equal to 48. So my solution is 48 units. We could also use a proportion. I can take one of the ratios out of the table. So I'm going to take the first ratio, 5 over 12, and set it equal to the corresponding ratio of 20 over X. There are two ways to solve the proportion. I can once again use my scale factor of times 4 and do 12 times 4 and say X equals 48 units. Or I can cross multiply and divide. 12 times 20 is 240. 5 times X is 5X. Set the cross products equivalent to each other. Now we divide by the number on the outside of the variable. Since this is a multiplication equation, I'm using the inverse operation to solve. 5 divided by 5 is just 1, so that's 1x, and 240 divided by 5 is 48. So once again, I get 48 units as side length BC.